Student, welcome back to Dr. Srikanth Pharmacy channel. Myself Dr. Srikanth. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest video. Today I came with a most important topic of a ball mill or pebble mill or tumbling mill. It is the major important equipment which is used for the size reduction of the particle, any type of the particle, and most precise the equipment which is presently exist in the market or the manufacturing unit. So in this class we are planning for the what are the principle, what are the construction working, advantages, disadvantages, and what are the pharmaceutical applications involved in the ball mill we were discussing. So what is the principle? Principle is mainly two types of principles are there based on the speed of balls rotation in the ball mill. One is an impact, another one is an attrition. So here in this ball mill will have the three different speeds are there. So based on the speed, the principle will be involved. At a low speed what happen, attrition will be exist because all the balls and material will move slowly in the up and again slide over to the back. So thereby what happen, there is a rubbing action, that is the attrition will be exist. So here there is no chance of hitting of any particle with the directly ball, so hence there is no question of the breakdown of that. In the optimum speed there is a just entry of the centrifugal forces. What happen, the particles will move on the walls of the inner walls of the cylinder, and it will be goes at a top and immediately fall down. Thereby what happen, the balls will be hit to the particle and they will be broke down. So there the impact will be exist. So hence in this ball mill there are two principles involved. One is called as an impact, another one is called as an attrition. Next comes to the construction, and this is very simple construction made up of a hollow cylinder with a metal and lined with the chrome. Majorly in pharmaceutical field, the lined with the chrome will be there, and it is a metallic frame which is hanged onto the shaft, that is a shaft will be there, and inside what happen, the balls will be there. The block color round balls I am showing, that will be containing the 30 to 50% with the weight constant, and these balls are usually made up of a steel or iron or the stones as a grinding medium. These balls are nothing but, in the earlier as I discussed in the hammer mill, hammer is the main aid for the breakdown. So similarly here ball is present, though ball are the main role that hit the or broke down the particle of the any material to be size reduced. So these balls are majorly, if the product are sterile are there, mainly the stainless steel balls are used. Based on the type of material you can choose the steel, iron or stone. This is the one thing. Another thing is that based on the material you can choose the size and shape of the ball also. So that is the another criteria. And this is on the top side is there, lid will be there. So this ball will be rotating with the motor. So this is in a direction I am showing. So holded by the shaft, and this shaft will be rotated. Rotated, what happened, the ball will be roll on this. So this is a diagrammatic presentation of the how the inside the balls and material will be moves on. So this is the construction of the ball mill. Very simple construction, and it is made up of a metallic body and lined with any material based on the type of material you are used. Next comes the working. So usually the working of ball mill is very much important, because the speed is very important in the ball mill. What the speed you are operating for this ball mill. So according to the speed, there are three types of speed are there. One is a low speed, and another one is a high speed, another one is an optimum speed. So you see here at a low speed the attrition will be takes place. What is this attrition? Attrition are nothing but balls are slide to the particle. What happen, the edges will be removed. So thereby what happen, the particle will remain same, only the edges which are there that will be gets out of that particle. So that is called as at low speed attrition. You see here attrition, in this case there is no question of the centrifugal force, hence the particle will be slowly roll on to the inside of the inside of the mill, and slowly it gets up and fall down onto the back. So thereby what happen, the balls will not hit to the particle, so there is no question of a breakdown. Only the rubbing action will take place, ball and the particle. So hence the what happen, the particle, the edges will be removed, and thereby the principle what we call as an attrition. So coming to the high speed, there what happen, the centrifugal force is very fast. So hence what happen, all the balls and particle will be rolling on the high speed inside the ball mill. So there is no question of any attrition or any impact. So the no size reduction will be exist in the very high speed. Coming to the third one, optimum speed. Here we can expect the impact. What is an impact? Means it's a particle is there, upon hitting of a balls to this particle will make into a smaller particle, that is a breakdown into small particle. So those are called as an optimum speed, and the principle we call as an impact. You see here in this optimum speed, just starting with the centrifugal force, initially the balls and the powder material will be moves on the sides of the cylinder, and at above 1/3 when come across us, immediately it will be fall down. That is called as a tumbling action. When its tumbling action exists, what happen, so immediately the ball will be hit to the particle, and particle will be broke down. So that is why this optimum speed is the more important in the ball mill, because the majority of the size reduction will takes place with in the optimum speed only. And some are the advantages, some are the disadvantages of the ball mill. So very fine powder and batch, it is a very fine powder you will get from the ball mill, and it is in a batch process, and some modification are nowadays available with the ball mill with the continuous process also. And this ball mill is suitable for even wet and dry grinding, and many of the toxic substance can also be made as a size reduction. Because of the enclosed system, the contamination will be avoided, and usually the sterile product like ophthalmic or parenteral products are there, that also be used for this ball mill because of changing in the stainless steel ball. And the balls are different size and shapes are available, that is another advantage. Based on the size of the particle you can be choose, and installation operation is very easy of this operating, as well as installation or usage of this equipment is very simple. And some are the disadvantages are it's a little bit noisy, because of the boils are present. When boils are rolling on the equipment, what happens, the sound will be produces, and it's a slow process. The majority of the ball mill will be exist as a batch process, hence it takes a little time. And most importantly, soft sticky fibers are not suitable, because it will be generate heat and it will be sticks onto the inside of this ball mill. Even though lined with the chrome also, there is a possibility that stick onto the walls of this ball mill, hence it is not suitable. And some of the pharmaceutical uses are there, so you can get from using this ball mill, you can get the 100 to 5 mm less than size of the particle also. So that is a major important. And any material like a hard and abrasive material you can use for the ball mill. And stainless steel majorly used for getting the sterile product, and like a pigment and insecticide, so majorly the size reduced by using the ball mill or pebble mill. So I hope this will be very clearly understood from this ball mill. So जस्ट प्रिंसिपल क्या होता है बॉल मिल में बोले तो इम्पैक्ट और अट्रिशन रहता. इम्पैक्ट कब होता बोले तो जैसे बॉल जैसे इधर से ऊपर जाता है, एकदम बॉल गिर जाता है ना, वहाँ पे आपको इम्पैक्ट परसिस्ट हो जाता. और एट्रिशन कब होता है बोले तो बॉल्स और प्रोडक्ट जो रहता है ना स्लोली ऐसा ऊपर जाता है, रोल हो जाता है, उसके लिए बोलते हैं एट्रिशन, उसके लिए रबिंग एक्शन बोलते हैं. सो इस तरह से दो प्रिंसिपल जो बॉल मिल में हो जाता है, एक बोलते हैं इम्पैक्ट, अनदर वन बोलते हैं एट्रिशन. यहाँ पे हाई स्पीड रहता है ना, यहाँ पे बॉल्स क्या हो जाता है, मटेरियल क्या हो जाता है, रोल हो जाता है. सो यहाँ पे साइज रिडक्शन होने का चांसेस नहीं रहता है, कम रहता है. और कंस्ट्रक्शन की बात करें तो बॉल मिल बहुत ही सरल कंस्ट्रक्शन है. एक बड़ा सिलेंडर रहता है, हैलो सिलेंडर, ओके. वो जो सिलेंडर रहता है ना ज़्यादातर मेड अप ऑफ ए मेटल मटेरियल रहता है. इसको लाइनड विथ क्रोम एज एन मटेरियल फॉर फार्मास्यूटिकल पर्पस में रहता है. ये जो सिलेंडर रहता है ना ये हैंग करे रहते हैं, इसको रोटेट करने के बाद सिलेंडर ऐसा रोटेशन होता रहता है. हैलो सिलेंडर ऐसा रोटेशन हो जाता. अंदर जो रहता है ना ये फिगर बता रहा हूँ मैं, ओके ये जो है ना सिलेंडर समझ लीजिए, इसके अंदर हम लोग बॉल्स और मटेरियल जो साइज रिड्यूस करना है उसको अंदर डाले रहते। जैसे ये बॉल स्पीड रोटेट हो जाता है ना, बॉल ऐसा हमारे को दिखता है, लो स्पीड में अलग दिखता है, हाई स्पीड में अलग दिखता है, ऑप्टिमम स्पीड में अलग दिखता है। सो the working of this instrument is based on the low speed, high speed and optimum speed. so ज़्यादातर हम लोग optimum speed करें तो उनको क्या हो जाता है, पार्टिकल साइज रिडक्शन फास्ट हो जाता है। अगर हमको जो भी स्मॉल पार्टिकल को रिमूव करना बोले, एडजस्ट निकालना बोले तो लो स्पीड में ऑपरेट करना। ओके सो मेजरली 3 इम्पोर्टेंट स्पीड रहता है, उसके हिसाब से ये जो वर्क करता है। और सम एडवांटेजेस के बारे में बात किया तो ये मिल से आपको बहुत बढ़िया पाउडर मिलता है, फाइन पाउडर मिलता है, और इससे बैच प्रोसेस रहता है। एक बैच होने के बाद दूसरा बैच हम लोग कर सकते हैं। एंड इट्स सूटेबल फॉर बोथ वेट एंड ड्राई ग्राइंडिंग के लिए आता है, और टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस रहे तो भी आता है, स्टेराइल प्रोडक्ट रहे तो भी आता है। बॉल्स जो मिलता है ना डिफरेंट साइज शेप्स में मिलता है, उससे क्या हो जाता है आपको जो चाहिए वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और जो ऑपरेशन इंस्टॉलेशन बहुत सरल रहता है। डिसएडवांटेजेस में क्या है बोले तो ये जो ऑपरेट करते हैं ना बहुत ही नॉइजी रहता है, बहुत स्लो प्रोसेस रहता है, एंड सॉफ्ट स्टिकी फाइब्रस मटेरियल के लिए ये अच्छा नहीं रहेगा। सो फार्मास्यूटिकल यूजेस क्या बोले, 100 to 5 mm लेस साइज रहते भी उतना साइज प्रोडक्ट आप निकाल सकते। हार्ड एंड एब्रेसिव मटेरियल आल्सो यू कैन ये यूज़ कर सकते बॉल मिल। स्टेनलेस स्टील अगर बॉल यूज़ करें तो आपको स्टेराइल प्रोडक्ट में अच्छा हो रहेगा। पिगमेंट और इंसेक्शन कॉमनली यूज़ करते हैं। मैं समझता हूँ ये क्लास से आपको सरल से बॉल मिल बोले तो क्या है, उसका प्रिंसिपल, कंस्ट्रक्शन, वर्किंग, एडवांटेजेस, डिसएडवांटेजेस, एप्लीकेशन आल्सो बहुत सरल इसके समझ में आया। जब भी एग्जाम में लिखते हैं ना अच्छी तरह से फिगर डाल को अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन करो। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।